Hello and welcome. If you are studying The Great Gatsby by Fitzgerald, there is one central theme you must note for your essays, and that is the decay of the American dream. The novel is written to prove that no matter how much money you make, you can't buy your way into the American upper class, and you can't change the past. There are four major events that prove this point. Let's take them one after the other. Event number 1. Gatsby reaches for the green lights. In chapter 1, Nick sees Gatsby standing outside at night looking across the bay. On the other side of the water is the home of Daisy, the wealthy high-class woman Gatsby loved years ago but was too poor to marry. Gatsby stretches his arms out in the dark toward a small green light glowing on her dock. Why this event matters? Daisy represents the elite upper class that Gatsby desperately wants to belong to. He stretches his hands out because he believes his new wealth can win her back and erase his poor past. But because the light is far across the water, it shows that his dream is an illusion. No matter how much money he makes, he can never truly buy his way into her world. Event number 2. The introduction of the Valley of Ashes. In chapter 2, we see a dirty grey wasteland between the rich towns and the city. Standing over this wasteland is an old faded advertisement billboard featuring a giant pair of painted eyes. The eyes of an eye doctor named Dr. T.J. Eckleburg. Why this matters? This dusty wasteland shows the hidden cause of the American dream. While the rich enjoy luxury, the poor live in dirt and poverty. The giant faded eyes staring down over the dust symbolize how society's morals have decayed, leaving the poor forgotten. Event number 3. Gatsby's massive Saturday night parties. Every weekend, hundreds of people come to Gatsby's mansion to drink his alcohol and enjoy his wealth. Yet, almost nobody knows him, and few are even invited. Why this event matters? This shows that money cannot buy reference or true acceptance. Gatsby uses his wealth to attract people, but nobody actually cares about him. And event number 4. Tom and Daisy pack up and leave after the tragedy. After Daisy accidentally kills a woman with Gatsby's car, Tom tells the woman's angry husband that Gatsby was driving. The husband goes to Gatsby's home and shoots Gatsby dead. Instead of telling the truth, Tom and Daisy pack their bags, hide behind their money, and leave town. Why this event matters? This is the final proof that the system is unfair. Inherited wealth protects people like Tom and Daisy from facing consequences, while idealists like Gatsby end up destroyed. So, to sum it up, the novel clearly proves that the American dream is rigged from the onset. In fact, wealth alone cannot erase where you come from and cannot change your social status. In the end, the dream itself destroys those who believe in it the most. If this lesson helps you, drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Again, take this question for your comments. Which symbol is harder for you? The green light or the Valley of the Ashes? Drop your comments and best wishes.